So to book in training, there are two ways you can access it, either over here on the banner under Online Store drop-down menu, or over here under Training. So we're just going to click on Training. They will take you to slightly different pages, but they both have the same content on them. We at Portable Spectral Services offer a range of different courses, including the fundamental basic training on portable XRFs, FTIR, Raman, Spectral training, Tracer training. We also offer courses in specialized software such as ARDAX, EasyCal, and AMEX, which are linked to specific instruments. So for this demonstration, we'll book in for the most common training, which is radiation safety training in the use of portable XRFs. This is the most common, as you need to complete this course if you would like to hire from us. Or if you have completed a similar course, you'll need a supplier certificate. So to book in, we just add this to cart. There is further information further down on that page if you'd like to know what is included in the course. Add the cart. You can see the product comes up here. If we have supplied you a coupon, this is where you can pop it in. Otherwise, you proceed to checkout. This is quite straightforward, and you put in all your details, and then you proceed. Once you have proceeded to pay for the training, one of our friendly staff members will be in contact with you to book you in for our next training day. If you are not located in Perth, that is fine, because we offer online and in-person training. So we cater our trainings to suit you.